There's no doubt the sixth wave is coming. How bad it is, we don't know. We just have to wait and see.
A COVID-19 warning coming as BC's latest decreasing wave has flatlined, while people's social and travel calendars are ramping up.
We're lifting all these travel restrictions. The variant is coming, that's for sure.
That's the BA2 variant, new Omicron. The latest data in BC showing Omicron variants in red. That darkest red on the right is the BA2, gaining steam and taking over quickly, like the original Omicron did over the winter. Gaining steam as the negative test required for arriving travelers ends Friday, and BC's vaccination pass is set to end next week. In Ontario and Quebec, where Vax passes ended weeks ago, cases are creeping up, Quebec already in a sixth wave, and hospitalizations increasing. In BC,
the most serious outcomes in hospital amongst those who are hospitalized. We've seen that go down, including significantly going down the number of people who are ventilated.
But after declining from nearly 1,000 last month, BC's hospitalizations are now remaining between 250 to 300 at a time.
With respect to test positivity, you'll see test positivity in the PCR testing that we're doing at between 4 and 4.5% in the 2 Metro Vancouver health authorities, and quite a bit more than that in other health authorities.
Testing today is, I hate to say, totally useless.
That's because for months, testing has only been done on the most vulnerable. While COVID-19 is still a concern, BC's Premier says we are ready for these next steps.
In terms of people feeling unease, I get that, and I do as well to a degree because of my being compromised by the radiation treatments that I've just come through. But I do believe, I'm confident that the people around me have taken steps to protect themselves and me.
Protection from vaccination. More than 87% of people in BC who can get vaccinations have had 2 doses. So there will be no reversing of restrictions now.
I'm not in a position to say to declare endemic status as opposed to pandemic status. I'll leave that to those who are better equipped for that. But I do know that people are feeling more comfortable. They were exhausted, quite frankly, as you know, from the restrictions.
To boost protection in preparation of whatever comes next week, the province is expected to lay out the plan for second booster doses. 4th shots for those in long-term care nearing or at 6 months from their 3rd.
The COVID-19 virus continues to make all of us humble. Right? It adapts. It will continue to adapt, and we have to continue to adapt with it.
In Victoria, Liza Yuzda, City News.